Hello friends, hope you're all doing good and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you a seafood recipe from Kerala. It is the very popular one, Karimeen, which is also known as pearl spot fish. This is usually deep fried. The whole fish is coated with spices and deep fried. This is served in small eateries in the rural areas or the toddy shacks as a snack along with toddy. Toddy is a palm extract which is fermented and becomes alcoholic. It's a local liquor which is served along with this karimeen, which is fried and crisp. You can also make curry with it, but the fried version is more popular. So today let us try that out. Next time we can also try out the curry. So let's proceed to make karimeen fry. Here we have Karimeen fish, also known as pearl spot fish. This is a very popular one from Kerala. We have to clean the fish first, cut out the fins using a sharp scissor. Actually, when we buy from the vendors in the market, they clean the fish for us. But this one I ordered from Fresh to Home and they came uncleaned. So we have to clean ourselves. It's okay, we should learn to do everything when need arises. So cut out the fins and remove the scales. Scrape it with a knife. Scrape the surface nicely, and also we have to remove the gills from the head. From the other side as well, scrape out the scales. When I was a kid, I used to watch my grandma cleaning the fish. So all those tips came handy now. Make sure all the scales are removed properly. They are nicely cleaned now. I washed them under the running water. From the head part you open and clean very well inside also. You can insert your finger and remove all the muck, whatever's inside, and wash it thoroughly many times in the running water. It's very clean now. Now we will do the first marination. Before that, make cuts on the fish. Make deep gashes so that the marination goes through very nicely inside also. These fish are usually fried, but you can also make curry with them, but the fried one stays much better. Now rub the salt on all the sides and in between the cuts liberally, because we are going to wash them again before marinating second time. So be liberal with salt. That helps in removing the smell of the fish. Now squeeze out a lemon and rub the lime juice as well. Now we will set them aside. The first marination is done. Cover and set it aside at least for 1 hour. Now before the second marination, you rinse them thoroughly because we don't want excess salt. For marination, we have taken saunf or fennel powder half teaspoon, red chilli powder 1 tablespoon, black pepper half teaspoon, turmeric powder half teaspoon, ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoons, rice powder 1 tablespoon, lemon 1, and salt to taste, 6 to 7 sprigs of curry leaves, and we have oil. Normally this fish is fried in coconut oil, but you can take any oil you like. Now mix all the ingredients for marination in a larger plate or a bowl. Mix the dry powders first. Then add the ginger garlic paste and squeeze out the lemon. Lemon juice depends on how sour you like your fish. You can also replace it with tamarind paste if you want. Add little water so that the paste becomes smooth enough to rub on the fish. Add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of water. Now this is done. Now rub this paste all over this fish and push some into the cuts also. The cuts are deep, and so the spices will also enter the inner part of the fish. Divide the paste equally and marinate all the fish, 3 of them. This is done. Now we will set it aside until we are ready to serve it. You fry it 10 to 12 minutes before we serve. Heat oil. Take a wide based pan. And the oil is medium hot. Line the pan with curry leaf sprigs. This is how it is done in Kerala. The oil should not be very hot at any stage. Now the fish goes on top of the curry leaf sprigs. Cover the pan and leave it without flipping. Only once we are going to flip the fish. After 6 or 7 minutes, carefully flip the side using a kitchen tongs. This fish is very tender. It just takes 6 to 7 minutes on the first side, and the second one will take 4 to 5 minutes, as previously while frying this side it would have been cooked a bit already. Now cover the pan for the second side and open it after 4 to 5 minutes. The fish is done. Remove the oil and put the fish in a plate. Lovely, isn't it? Now in the same way, fry the other fish. I'm putting some fresh curry leaves for flavor. Cover it and fry it the same way, turning it after 6 to 7 minutes. So friends, this is a delicacy of Kerala. This Karimeen is very popular fish. You can enjoy it like a snack also. Nice crispy fried fish with spices coated on it. Very delicious. Serve it with some lemon wedges and onion slices. This is as popular as our pomfret koli vada fry. This is very popular one in Kerala. In the local eateries, it is served as a snack along with toddy. You can serve it as an accompaniment with your meals. Fish goes very well with dal chawal, papadam, fried papad, poriyal, and some tempered yogurt. It's bliss, heavenly meal. So friends, if you get Karimeen, do give it a try and enjoy this meal, South Indian meal. Stay tuned for the next recipe. If you are a new visitor to the channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notifications about the new uploads. Here are some videos from the archives. Do check them out. We'll soon be back with another new recipe. Bye. Until then, have a nice day.